Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a very quick review of Beadative High Precision Detail Scissors. So these are the scissors that I received, and it comes in a very small and simple packaging. This is the back of the package with some introduction of the scissors. So now let me unwrap the package and let you see the scissors inside. So this set comes with two pairs of scissors. One is pink in color and one is purple in color. Each pair of scissors will come with a protective cap to ensure users' safety and prevent users from being injured by the pointed tips. I will assume both pink and purple scissors are the same, so let me take away the purple pair of scissors and have a closer look at the pink pair of scissors. This pair of scissors is smaller than the size of my palm, and actually I have quite a small palm, so I would say this pair of scissors is quite small in size and is quite easy to open and close the blades. I'm trying to get a ruler to measure the size of the scissors, and you can see it is around 10 cm in length and it is around 5.2 cm in width, and the blade is around 3 cm in length if you measure from the joint to the tip. Now let me bring the pair of scissors closer to the camera, and you can see the tip is quite fine and pointed, and also the blades are quite thin, but I observe uneven thickness of the blades slightly. The grip holes of this pair of scissors are quite small, which I think it may be more suitable for a girl because girls usually have a smaller pair of hands. Now I'm trying out some cutting with this pair of scissors. So far I feel there is no issue with cutting in either straight line or curved line. As you can see, I can cut quite smoothly with this pair of scissors. I also try out cutting small circle, which is less than 1 cm in diameter. With the help of the pointed tips, it is quite easy for me to pierce through the paper and do the cutting. Generally speaking, this pair of scissors function well in intricate cutting because it has pointed tips and also thin blades. It is also quite affordable because it only costs less than 20 USD for two pairs of scissors. So I would say it is definitely a good choice for anyone who is new to paper cutting and want to start doing it. If you are interested to buy this pair of Beadative Precision Scissors, check out the link in the description box down below. I will see you next time. Bye!